Good morning, YouTube. Well, I got my little jack shaft switched over. I moved the bearing hangers over so that they're in between both pulleys, and this one is, I have to say, it's running much better. No slipping, starts up, runs smoother. I need to get that belt to center up a little better. And my little jack shaft, like I said, this is the third one. I got the belt shifter. So it actually moves in one direction. I may add another pulley up there to have it 2-speed, not a reversing. I'm not sure a reversing will do me any good on the lathe. If anybody out there knows, tell me why they put these two clutches, the forward and reverse, because I'm going to use it as a 2-speed. I'll get another pulley. I have another pulley I'll put up there. But I'm a little bit happy. It's been raining here, hard to get out here. I am covered underneath here, but I'm just building this in my backyard. I got the lathe out of the way to do the drilling up here, because this is the third jack shaft I put up here. It's got different hangers, and these little hangers have different bolt patterns. But I finally got this one up here. Had to drill it in place, which is really rough on the old bones. But we got it. There's my little anvil, made back in the 1800s, I believe. I'm not sure. It's about 400 pounds. And my swedge block over there, or two swedge blocks. One's pretty worn, and one's doesn't look like it's hardly been used. But YouTube, making progress. I got my little 1/2-inch reduced shank tool holder finally put over here, and I think that's going to work out good. Don't have much to report. When I get time, I gotta braze this. I think this is just a flywheel. I think it's pretty heavy, but I'm gonna have to braze that, put it back on the big lathe here. We got kind of a mess. Actually, it's always in a mess here, but this one, my WP Davis, that's actually the jack shaft right there that came with it, and it's got a belt pulley. Actually, that little electric motor, which is real early, is the motor that was running this lathe, and I just used my dial caliper, and that's about 1 3/16". I found I have some hangers that are 1 3/16", so that's going to go good right up here. And of course, I'll have to get another 1 11/16". These hangers with bearings are made for 1 11". It's a little bit heavy line shafting for my application, but it's what I got, and so it's what I'm going to use. But I'm glad to find out I got hangers for that little cone pulley, which is the cone pulley that comes with this lathe, so everything will line up, change gears, change speeds. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them. Bye.